Hello guys, welcome back. We are still looking at exponential equation. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see any update. So let's get started. You have been given solve the simultaneous equation, which is 3 power x multiplied by 9 power y equals to 1. Then 2 power 2x multiplied by 4 power y is equals to 1 over 8. This is an exponential which is expressed in a simultaneous equation, and we are told to solve the simultaneous equation. So what we have to do here is that for solution, we all know that this one is already simplified, in which it will be 3 power x multiplied by, so you have to make this 9 to be the same base with the first one, in which it will be 3 power 2, because 3 power 2 it is 9, so it will be 3 power 2 y equals, because any number to the power 0 it is 1, so here it will be 3 power 0. So this is the first equation. Then the second equation, it will be 2 power 2x. This one is already simplified. Then here we have to multiply this one. Here we have to simplify this one, in which it will be 2 power 2x multiplied by 4. So we have to reduce this one, 4. The square root of 4 it is 2, so it will be 2 power 2 multiplied by y, it is 2y, in which it is, so as you can see, this is in a positive indices. So for it to be in a negative, so it will be 1 over 8. In a negative indices, it will be 8 power minus 1. So it will be equals to 8 power minus 1. So which is same as equals to 2 power minus 3. You have to make sure that all the bases are same. So the equation we have, it is 3 power x multiplied by 3 power 2y equals to 3 power 0. Then here down 2 power 2x multiplied by 2 power 2y equals to 2 power minus 3. So this one, as you can see, the bases are same, so what you have to get is only powers. So here it will be, the first equation, it will be x, because we are multiplying, so we have to add the powers, in which it will be x plus 2y equals to 0. Then for this one, we are multiplying even here, so it will be 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. So this is a simultaneous equation. So now let's try to solve this one using substitution method. So you have to make x the subject of the formula, in which it will be x equals, when positive 2y crosses the equal sign, it will be minus 2y. So you have to substitute this equation into equation 2. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 1. So you have to substitute where there is x by minus 2y. So you have to get the equation 2, which is 2, open bracket, where there is x minus 2y plus 2y equals minus 3, in which it will be 2 times the negative 2y, it is the minus 4y plus 2y, which is equals to minus 3. Minus 4 plus 2y, it is minus 2y, because we are following the sign which is in bigger number, in which it will be minus 2y, which is equals to minus 3, divided by minus 2 by minus 2, y we have negative, negative goes, y we have 2 into 3, which is 1, remainder half. So this is the value of y. So we have found the value of y. Now let's find the value of, let's squeeze it here. Let's find the value of x now. And the value of x, it is, so we have to substitute where there is y with this value here, in which we get the first equation, which is x plus 2y equals 0. Then x plus 2 multiplied by, so we get this one before it was simplified, we get 3 over 2, which is equals to 0. Then here x plus 2 into 2, 1, 2 here, 1, so we remain with the 3 equals 0. So x, it is equals to minus 3. So this is the value for x and y. So therefore the value of y is equals to 1 whole number 1 over 2, and the value of x is equals to minus 3. So we have found the answers. Example 2, we are told to solve for x. 16 power x is equal to 0.125. Roman numeral 2, 9 power x is equal to 1 over 729. So let's get started. So for number 1, for Roman numeral number 1, we have 16 power x is equal to 0.125. We all know that here we have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So it is made up of 1000, in which it will be 16 power x equals, we get the number on top, 125 over 1000. If it was the 2 numbers, it's going to be 100. Now it is 3 numbers, so it is 1000. So let's use this one also here. So here we are going to have 16 power x equals 25 into 125 into 125, it is 1. 125 into 1000, it is 8. Let's go. So 16 power x equals, this one, it is in the positive way, positive indices. So let's get it into negative indices. So this one is going to be 8 power minus 1. So here we have to look for 2 numbers to be base, in such that when you square it, it will be equal. So here we are going to have 2 power 4, which is equals to 2 power 4x, which is equals to 2 power minus 3. Because 2 power minus 3, it is minus 8 power minus 1. In which here we have the same bases, so here it will be 4x equals minus 3, then divide by 4, then x equals minus 3 over 4. So let's try to solve this one also here. Here we have Roman numeral 2, 9 power x equals 1 over 7.9. We all know that 9 power x equals, so you have to take this one into negative indices for you to solve it. So here it will be 729 power minus 1. So what you have to do, you have to look for numbers which should be bases. Here the numbers which should be a base, it is 3 power 2 x equals, because 3 power 2, it is 9, multiplied by x, it is 2x. Then here is going to be 3 power minus 6, because 3 power 6, it is 7.9. So here we have same base, so we get the powers, in which it will be 2x equals minus 6 divided by 2 divided by 2, which is x equals minus 3.